Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone display and brightness setting guys, and today video title is guys how can we disable guys eye care mode in our Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to disable guys your Infinix phone eye care mode settings, and how can you disable it? Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. First of all guys, open your phone setting guys. So after on phone setting guys, you can see guys your skin color is different. So friends, you will have to click on guys your phone display and brightness, tap on display and brightness guys, and friends you can see eye care mode setting. Then we can disable from here. After disable guys, after 4 and 3 seconds your skin color will default, and friends you can use your phone without this eye care mode setting. So like that guys, we can disable guys Infinix phone eye care mode from display and brightness setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.